So, you just got yourself a new car. Congrats. Hi, I'm Jay, one of the specialists over at Kendall, Volkswagen of Bend. Today, we're going to let you in on a little secret. The secret that I'm referring to is something that all new cars have, but not a whole lot of people know of. What am I speaking of? The owner's manual. As you're looking through the owner's manual, it will have all of your questions that you need, whether it be something as simple as changing the climate control, like page 97 on here, to something a little more sophisticated, such as learning how to use your keyless entry that is available for all the SE models and up. This here will show you a breakdown to how to lock as well as unlock the vehicle. And of course, if you have any more questions, you can always go to the front of the page where the table of contents are, and you can see all the references there, and go to the page for the answer that you're looking for. So remember, if you ever have any questions, always look in the owner's manual. Of course, we're always here to help. Thanks for watching. And again, my name is Jay at Kendall Volkswagen of Bend. You can always reach us at kendallvwofbend.com or call us anytime at 541-317-3600. Until next time.
Kendall, let's start something great.